What's up, YouTube? So today I got in my rear differential brace from Bell Raceworks. It's pretty nice quality. It looks, I got the red powder coated one instead of you can get like the raw material one. But I'm going with some red accents, so I decided to go with the red. It's pretty nice. We'll jump right in it. You're gonna need like a 19 millimeter, 17 millimeter. Of course, you've got new hardware, a couple longer bolts. So install shouldn't take very long at all. I think maybe 10 minutes. We're gonna lift the rear of the car up by the differential and get going.
All right, so here's a look at what you get in the package. There's your new bolts there. Those will be the 2 bolts that replace the OEM bolts on the actual like pumpkin. This is the one that goes above it. There's a hole there now. There's nothing, no bolts or anything at the moment. So you got this kind of sleeve that goes through there with the longer bolt and the lock nut. And of course the brace there. So here's a better look at the brace. It's pretty nice quality, like I said. This is the low profile one. As you can see, the cutout right here. I think he's going with this style altogether now. You were able to, in the past, get a normal one that didn't have the cutout there. Basically, that's for if you have like a lower tie bar, specifically the GT spec, which I plan on getting. So that cutout is basically, perfect for that, so that lower tie bar can fit. What we're gonna do first, I'm gonna remove these 2 bolts here. Then I'm gonna put the upper bolt in there and just kind of loosely secure it. And kind of line it up. Might get some Loctite. I got some up on the workbench. I'll go grab that, put it on the new bolt. All right, so I've got everything loosely mounted. I put the blue stuff on the new bolts. Everything lines up good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and torque them down 36 foot-pounds and be done. So everything's tightened up, 36 foot-pounds. One thing to note, the OEM bolts are a size 14. The new ones that they give you are a 17, and this upper one up here is a 19. So then you'll want a 19 millimeter wrench on the underside to hold the lock nut while you tighten this down. Then you'll be good to go. So that's the install of the Bell Raceworks Diff brace. It was $100. I think they're doing Black Friday right now, $10 off. So copy one for $90, free shipping. Get up directly from their website. Z1's also selling these, but then of course you got to pay tax and then shipping on top of that. So there you go.